Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT PGT English Literature. Let's start. Question number 1. Blank Space is a total novel of human experience by Mulkraj Anand. What will be correct answer? Coolie is a total novel of human experience by Mulkraj Anand. So the answer will be option B. Next question, question number 2. When did Arnold write God and the Bible? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1875. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 3. Tennyson's dear friend, Arthur Hallam died in. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1833. Option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 4. Askill spent his life in highly westernized circles in the cosmopolitan city of. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Mumbai. Option D. Next question, question number 5. Which of the following critics preferred Shakespearean comedies to his tragedies? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Dr. Johnson. Option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 6. Who is the author of the line Tiger's heart wrapped in a player's hide about Shakespeare? What will be correct answer? In a pamphlet, Robert Greene wrote this line about of jealousy. It is thought that he was criticizing Shakespeare. So the answer will be Robert Greene. Option D. Next question, question number 7. Where from these lines have been taken? God friend, for Jesus' sake, for we are to dig the dust enclosed here. Blessed be the man that spares these stones, and crushed be he that moves my bones. What will be correct answer? These lines have been taken from Shakespeare's tomb. These were inscribed on his grave in Stratford-Avon, England. So the answer will be Shakespeare's tomb. Option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 8. What is the theme of the proletarian novel? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be working class. Option D. Next question, question number 9. A character which remains almost unchanged throughout the story is called. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a flat character. Option D. A flat character is a minor character in a work of fiction who does not undergo substantial change or growth in the course of a story. So the answer will be option D. Next question, question number 10. The lyrical ballads were better appreciated in America than in England. The first edition published in America in year. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1798. Option A. Next question, question number 11. In which poem has Wordsworth described different moods of nature? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tinton Abbey. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Question number 12. Will not oblique one tell me what she sings? Perhaps the plaintive numbers flow for old unhappy far of things and battles long ago. The above lines occurs in. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be the solitary reaper. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 13. The sounding cataract haunted me like passion. These lines occurs in the poem. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tinton Abbey. Option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 14. In which year did Wordsworth add his preface to the lyrical ballads? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1800. Option B. In 1800, a second and enlarged edition of the lyrical ballads was published with a valuable preface containing an outline of his political theory. So the answer will be option B. Next question, question number 15. The title of Wordsworth's first poetical volume is. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Descriptive Sketches. Option A will be the right answer. Descriptive Sketches is a very different poem from an evening walk, composed according to Wordsworth, mostly upon the banks of the Loire in the year 1791 to 92. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 16. Who has spoken following lines in Shakespeare's Macbeth? Methought I heard a voice cry, sleep no more, Macbeth does murder sleep, the innocent sleep. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Macbeth. Option D. These lines have been spoken Macbeth in the play Macbeth after committing the murder of Duncan. Next question, question number 17. Which of the following works by William Shakespeare is a pastoral romance? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be As You Like It. Option A. As You Like It is a pastoral romance by Shakespeare. Pastoral means dealing with shepherd or rural life in a usually artificial manner. So the option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 18. No nightingale did ever chant more welcome notes to weary bands of travelers in some shady haunt among Arabian sands. Blank space. Which of the following poems by William Wordsworth contain the above mentioned line? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be solitary reapers. Option C. Next question, question number 19. Who has said that poetry should surprise by a fine axis? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be John Keats. Option B. Next question, question number 20. Who regarded Shakespeare's greatest plays as a books to be read rather than as plays to be acted? What will be correct answer? Charles Lamb was an English essayist, poet, and antiquarian, best known for his essays Ophelia and for the children's book Tales from Shakespeare, co-authored with his sister Mary Lamb. So the answer will be Charles Lamb. Option D. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning 20 questions. Like, comments, share and subscribe. Thank you.